Thank you so much for that, Snehi. But let's move on to some good news coming in for the middle class. Now, sources are suggesting that the government is actively discussing a proposal to provide income tax relief aimed at benefiting the middle class. Now, although the discussions are still in their early stages, the focus is on potential tax cuts and simplifying the tax process. A final decision will be made following a broader consultation with the government, and the Prime Minister's office will take the final call after reviewing various inputs. Notably, the Prime Minister has signalled the likelihood of some relief that could come in for the middle class taxpayers and suggesting a favourable outcome in the coming budget. So keep an eye out on that. An important update coming in for everyone out there, and especially good news for the middle class taxpayers. Let's move on and shift focus to an exclusive that we have for you all. Now, sources tell ET now that the newly elected government has started its work and their all-important 100-day agenda to achieve the deliverables. They're going to be likes of e-commerce hubs, global trade promotion among the first few. Let's go across to Sameer Dikshit, who's gotten down all those details for us. Sameer, what's happening on that front?
The Union Commerce Ministry has set a 100-day agenda for itself. The 100-day agenda focuses on to export, to increase the export, to boost the domestic manufacturing, and also to set up SOP, Standard Operating Procedure for the FTAs, the free trade negotiations. So to start with, the first priority of the Commerce Ministry is to develop and create e-commerce hubs in the country. But we are picking up from our sources that the Department of Commerce and the Department of Revenue, they are in discussion to create the e-commerce hubs. Now, these e-commerce hubs will help to boost the export. It will help the handicraft sector and also the other labor-intensive sector. In addition to this, the government is also looking to set up SOPs for the FTAs, the standard operating procedures. Currently, if you see, the government is having negotiation for the FTAs with the European Union, with UK, and also with Australia. In addition to these three FTA negotiations, there are 4 FTAs which are under review. Government largely is looking to have 10 FTAs in at least the next 5 years. But to achieve this ambitious target, they have to have a SOP that will further streamline and smoothen the entire negotiation process. Also, what we are picking up from our sources that the India-Oman FTA, it has almost reached to its conclusive point. Commerce Ministry has sent the cabinet note to the cabinet for further approval. Very soon, it is likely that within 100 days, we can see the India-Oman FTA coming to a concrete point. Also, government is looking to amend the SEZ bill, the Special Economic Zone Bill amendment. It is there in the topmost priority of the Commerce Ministry, and it will be pushed for the cabinet approval. Government wants to make more use of the SEZ which are lying vacant or which are not fully utilized. So for the same, the SEZ amendment bill, it is there in the 100-day agenda. Government is also looking to set up a single window platform that will provide ease of doing business.
Right, Sameer. Thank you so much for that update. They're keeping an eye out on all of those data points. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.